Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we take a look at the who command. It's a command that just tells you who's logged into the system. If you're working on a Linux server, you might see that there are a number of people logged in at the same time. The who command will also tell you where the users are logged in from and when they logged in. So here's an example. Get there, that. So who. And here we see we have 4 logins. The first 2 represent user called Fedora that's on the console. So we can see 2 lines representing that. And they're also assigned TTY2. The second 2 are user named SHS, which happens to be logged in from 2 different locations at the same time. But we can see that the logins represent a different login time. That one and that one. So the who command shows you who's logged in and where they are logged in from. Well, that's your Linux tip for the who command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.